Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, then hi, I'm Dimple. Please do consider subscribing. So today I'm back with a new video, as you can already see from the title. But before we begin with the video, I want to say that please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. So today I'm back with a Nykaa haul. And I have a lot of product to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So let's see first what I bought in the makeup, because I bought very few products in makeup, guys. So let's see that. Okay, so very first product which I bought is this one. Yep, as you can see, this one is highlighter from Maybelline. It's their Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I heard so many good things about this product, तो मैंने सोचा खरीद लेते हैं. Let's check it out how it turns out. Of course, who doesn't want affordable highlighter, you know? And I will give you the swatch of this highlighter. This is so intense. This is so beautiful. See how beautiful and how intense it looks. Yeah, this is very pretty. Let me check actually how it looks. Wow, it looks beautiful. And this was on discount. Let me check the price list. I got this for $358, so I got a good deal on this. And if you are searching highlighter on a budget and yet very good quality, so you can give this a shot. This is a very intense and very smooth. It melts like butter on your face. बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत ही affordable option है ये. So second product is also from Maybelline. This one is mascara. Maybelline Colossal. Okay. Colossal, how, I don't know how to pronounce it. And this one is in the washable variant, because personally I prefer applying washable mascaras, because जब आप waterproof mascara लगाते हो तो क्या होता है generally, it doesn't comes out easily. I mean, you face very hard time removing waterproof mascara. So वो आपकी जो eyelashes हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल होने लगती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा गिरने लगती हैं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट कि आपकी eyelashes बची रहे आपकी आइज़ पे, तो do use washable mascaras. That's my one tip to you. And the mascara I got for $284 in the Pink Friday sale. So yay, it is a good deal. And now I bought PAC eyelashes, as you can see here. This one is in the number PAC Pro 01. And if you are in a search of good, affordable, best quality eyelashes, go for PAC. PAC really does amazing eyelashes, you know. So you can definitely give this a shot. Okay, so next product I bought is this Too Faced loose setting powder. It is a Peach Perfect mattifying loose setting powder. It is this one. Okay, if you can see. Okay, so it is this one, because इस पे डील चल रही थी that if you purchase something 3000 and above, so तो उसके साथ ये combo free मिल रहा था. It has lip balm and a mini lipstick inside, so I'm all ready for free stuff, you know. I can't miss that. So this was the lipstick. This is a very cute packaging, you know. So this one is the lipstick which I got free in this box, and I got one lip balm free with it. So these are the stuff which I got free as a gift. And second product which I purchased from Too Faced is this lipstick. Yeah, this is in the shade Sellout. Actually, it is a repurchase because I just love this shade a lot. this shade is just amazing, guys. This is a perfect nude for my skin tone, and I'm wearing it right now. Okay, I forgot to give the swatch of that mini lipstick, you know. Wait, I'll give you right now. I'll give you the hand swatch of that mini lipstick, that freebie. It is a nudish brown shade with a little hint of pink. So this is the shade, as you can see here. So that's that. Now moving on to next product. Next I bought 2 lipsticks from Bobbi Brown. This is from their crushed liquid lip range, and this is not a matte lipstick. This is a very glossy and very nourishing kind of a lipstick. It is more of a lip gloss than a lipstick, but more pigmented. You get a full opacity and full coverage with this lip colors. So I will give you this hand swatch of this lipstick. So the first one is in the shade Juicy Date. These are the 2 lip color which I bought from Bobbi Brown. This one is Juicy Date and this one is in the shade Give a Fig. Both are very pretty and beautiful. I just can't get enough of this color. This color is my favorite one. And I got 1 mascara and 1 vitamin face base free with this product. And 1 pouch also from Bobbi Brown. So these are the all makeup products which I bought from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा makeup product नहीं खरीदा है. Now let's start with the skincare first. So the very first product which I want to share with you guys is this Bioderma Sensibo H2O micellar solution. I use only this and Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Yeah, that's. Those are the 2 products which I use to remove my makeup because nothing else works on my skin. If you are watching me for the first time and if you don't know, I have a extra highly sensitive skin leaning towards dry, and I have acne prone skin also. So yeah. So यही एक प्रोडक्ट है जो मेरी स्किन को सूट करता है and it does the job beautifully. I mean stubborn से stubborn makeup, waterproof makeup, mascara or lipstick, foundation, whatever you are wearing, it is going to remove your makeup very nicely. बहुत अच्छे से ये remove करता है makeup and it doesn't break me out also. So a big thumbs up for this one. And this one is also a repurchase because I was running out of my current one. So moving on to next product, it is also from Bioderma, Bioderma Intensive Balm Atoderm. So this is also a moisturizer, but normally I use Cetaphil as a moisturizer, but ये मैंने जो है वो winters के लिए मंगवाया है because winter में मेरी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry और flaky हो जाती है, तो nothing works on my skin इसके सिवा. So and it was on a discount right now, तो मैंने सोचा okay, I can't miss the chance, मंगवा लेते हैं. So I got this. This is a very thick moisturizer, by the way. This is for dry and extra dry skin. So and this works beautifully as a winter moisturizer on my skin. It gives me beautiful glow. It gives me that pink flushed skin which we all crave in winters. Moving on to next. Okay, so this time I bought a lot of skincare. So next I bought this Laneige night sleeping mask. I heard very good things about this, but I don't know how it works on my skin because I haven't tried it yet. But I will try it and I will let you know, guys, कि ये कैसा है and you should invest in this or not. But try से याद आया. I don't know what should I say about this product. समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोलूँ. If you have a dry skin and if you have a sensitive skin or acne prone skin, don't buy this product. It is going to make your skin worst like anything. I mean, you have बुरे से बुरे सपने में भी नहीं इमेजिन किया होगा इतना गंदा करेगा ये आपकी स्किन को. सो डोंट इन्वेस्ट योर मनी, हार्ड अर्न मनी in this, because this became useless. And okay, I will make a video on detailed review on this product, but अभी के लिए मैं बता दूं कि ये product मैंने लगाया था तो you can see in my previous video, जो मैंने इससे पहले रक्षाबंधन वाला वीडियो डाला है उसमें I had a huge pimple on this side of my face, राइट और मैंने बस इसको एक बार अप्लाई किया था, वो भी नाइट में. एक बार बस मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट को लगाया एंड सुबह उठ के देखा तो मुझे इतना बड़ा, मतलब इट वॉज पिम्पल और इट वॉज एनीथिंग एल्स. आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. इतना ज़्यादा वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस मिला है मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट से. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, बट आई वंडर वाई नोबडी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस थिंग रिगार्डिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में एक भी नेगेटिव रिव्यू नहीं है कहीं. आई मीन एवरीबडी इज रेविंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. ये प्रोडक्ट मुझे समझ में नहीं आया बिकॉज बस एक बार मैंने लगाया और इट वॉज लाइक अ नाइटमेयर फॉर मी. सो इमीडिएटली मैंने रोक दिया बिकॉज ओके फॉर द सेकेंड थाट मुझे लगा ओके मेरी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है एंड ऑयल एक्ने प्रोन है और एक्स्ट्रा हाईली सेंसिटिव है, तो मे बी मेरी स्किन के साथ कंपैटिबल नहीं होगा, इसलिए मुझे सूट नहीं करा. बट मेरी फ्रेंड के साथ भी मैंने बात करी. शी इज़ लाइक अ सिस्टर टू मी मोर देन अ फ्रेंड. तो एंड वी बोथ हैव अ डिफरेंट स्किन टोन एंड सॉरी डिफरेंट स्किन टाइप. We both have a absolutely opposite and different skin type. उसे भी ये जो जेल है, जो मॉइस्चराइज़र है, it reacted horribly on her skin also, she told me. और मेरे घर में जिसने इसको ट्राई किया है उसकी स्किन को इसने बहुत बुरी तरीके से रूइन किया है. एंड इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में एक भी नेगेटिव रिव्यू नहीं है. आई मीन Pond's India, so sorry, this product is horrible and you should come up with the disclaimer that it can react to your skin. Okay, so moving on to next product. दूसरा प्रोडक्ट जो मैंने लिया है वो भी रीस्टॉक करा है मैंने. एक्चुअली दिस वन इज क्लेयर सपल प्रिपरेशन फेशियल टोनर. या दिस सूट्स माई स्किन ब्यूटिफुली. दिस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. मैंने इसके बारे में अपने स्किन केयर वीडियो में डिटेल में बात कर रखी है. सो या नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई बॉट. तो नेक्स्ट आई बॉट दिस बायोटिक का मॉर्निंग नेक्टर विजिबली फ्लॉलेस टोनर. मैंने अभी तक इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है तो आई कांट से एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस, बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. Moving on to next purchase. Next I bought this. This is a L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. Because this one has very good rating and reviews on Nykaa. So I thought to give this a shot because मैं जो रेगुलरली यूज़ करती हूँ हेयर कंडीशनर हेयर मास्क, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली नायका पे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चल रहा था. तो सो आई थॉट इसको ट्राई करते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल वन ऑल्सो. आई मीन दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर 240 एंड आई गॉट इट ऑन डिस्काउंट. इट वॉज ऑन 30% डिस्काउंट आई गेस. सो ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में मिला है. एंड आई यूज्ड इट टुडे ऑन माई हेयर टू कंडीशन दैम एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ वेरी डीपली हाइड्रेटिंग एंड नरिशिंग कंडीशनर. बहुत ही अच्छा है. इट मेड माई हेयर सो सॉफ्ट एंड या कभी कभी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक भी होना अच्छा है आपका फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. सो यू गेट अ चांस टू ट्राई न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. So if you are in a search of conditioner which works beautifully on your hair, so you can give this a shot because it gave me very beautiful result. You know, it made my hair so soft, so flowy, and so you can definitely give this a shot. This is a beautiful product from L'Oreal, and for the price you pay, this is a big winner for me. And here we came to an end of this video. Please do let me know how do you like this video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.